Puh. Who are you? What do you want from me? You're Chipper. That's the dumbest name I ever seen. Yes, Chipper. Oh, hey, Sally. Why do I have bruises? Because I don't want to say this. I just got beat up by Chipper and his crew. I don't know what to say, but they want me to kidnap you, Willie and his gang, the FNAF, and the Banana Splits. I don't want to kidnap y'all, even you, Sally. You're my true friend. And I just got bruises by him and his crew. I don't know what to do. You do? Alright, I'll come with y'all. Hey, I'm Katie. I'm the love mermaid. Don't mind why I have bruises. Tell Sally she does. Yes, I just got beaten up by Chipper and his crew. They want me to kidnap everyone, even for y'all. I just don't want to make y'all so upset. Ah! Chipper! I mean, sir! No, wait, stop! Ow! Ow! Let me drop! Got you! You okay, little one? Oh no, more kids are falling. Ah! Gotcha! You can't do this, Chipper. Let everyone go. You call me a little mermaid, huh? Well, I'll show you how it's done. Take that! I'm glad everyone's safe. Oh no. Whoa! Ah! Help! I'm gonna fall down in that ocean! But there's a shark! Ah! You saved me. You're my brave shining armor. Thank y'all for saving me and stopping Chipper and his crew. But thank y'all for fixing me, and y'all welcome, and I'm so glad y'all are safe, even the sweet innocent children's. But I'm in love with this nice shiny armor. Nighty night, you're my handsome knight. I love you, Nighty. Katie, what's wrong? Why do you have bruises? What? You got beat up and kidnapped by Chipper and his crew? Oh, that son of a picklehead beaver. Don't worry. Don't cry. Please, don't cry. I'll take you to my friends. Hey, everyone. This is my friend Katie. She's a mermaid. She's my best friend. She got beat up by Chipper and his crew. What are we gonna do, Willie? Chipper. Let my friend go, you little beast. Oh, you're gonna get beat up. Watch out. What do you mean, watch out, Tita? Ugh. Ugh. Help me. Guys, this one's choking me. What happened? Oh no, we're kidnapped. Where's the children? Oh no, they're gonna fall. Katie, do something. We're trapped. They got the kids. Katie, you saved them. Katie, watch out! Shark! Katie, look out for a shark! Someone do something. Who's gonna save her? Nighty, you will do it? Okay. I'll use my wings to grab you, Nighty, and fly down to rescue Katie before she gets killed by that shark. Hold on, Nighty. Hang on, Katie. We'll save y'all. We got you, girl. Aw, what a cute couple. I'm sorry, okay? Hey, Chipper, one behind you, and I'll push you! Goodbye, Chipper and the crew. Thank you for saving us, Katie. You're my best friend. And you're welcome. We just helped you fix that bruises. Huh, that's the best ending ever. I love that beautiful ship of them being loved together. Uh, guys? I think I had laid an egg. For real, I think it's coming.